Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. In today's episode, we're going to be checking out the Theta coin. So it's being listed on Binance as Theta and is currently being traded at $7.30. So we are going to do a deep analysis of this coin. If you're holding it, be sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe. You know the drill, right? All right, guys. So without further ado, let's have a look. As you can see, what happens here is that it's on a constant bull run since quite a while now. It has been on a bull run path since approximately already 3 months. Thing is, it has peaked at 15 bucks and 88 cents and then the bears took over. Why? So it's an interesting coin. We'll definitely get to know it. Although let's understand exactly what the hell happened here. As you can see, there was a huge purchase right here and right here, right here. So let's first analyze these because they came in a little bit later and punched everyone that got their bag, or at least thought they did. So what happened exactly? First, there has been this whale right here that purchased a lot of coins. So this happened, and then there was this gold rush going on for the Theta coin. And then again, same thing happened right here, as you can see. So there was this huge pump, and just after, you can see right here a clear huge dump. So this is a trap. It's a bull trap. That's how it's called in the cryptoverse. And it happens a lot. As you can see, when it was hitting the peak, it was not too smart to buy the top. But unfortunately, people got in, and there was a lot of FOMO, fear of missing out. And then what happened is that these guys, they started selling because they've made their profit thanks to these FOMOs. I'm not gonna say mofos, but FOMO is enough. So the fear of missing out, people. Okay, so now that we understand approximately the dynamics of what happened, let's try to see what happened here. As you can see, all of these whales here that got the purchase, they made the dump. Same here, dump. So we got dumped like crazy. At this point, it looks like there is no more whales. They've all neutralized themselves here. So you can clearly see that all of these are neutralized. So finally, the price is not going to be pumped and dumped for quite a while. At least, hopefully, unless there's someone that is going to make a huge buy, you better get out of the market if you are buying today. And if you see this if you see this pump, get out of the market as soon as possible because you've got your earnings, you've got that 20%, you've got that 30%, get out. That is how crypto works. You cannot hold on to a coin for too long because it's just going to drop in value and it's not as profitable when you do this and you're not flipping. And I'm going to show you how to flip because I do a lot of flips. I do anywhere from 30 to 40% per day in flip gains. So please subscribe to this channel. I will show you how I do it in subsequent episodes. All right, guys. So let's dive a little bit deeper and try to understand what the Theta is. So basically, it's the next generation video delivery platform, and it's powered by you, the holders of the Theta coin. So currently, they're talking about the TFU staking and uptime mining. It's coming, so in approximately 30 days, and they want you to participate. So this is going to be their Theta mainnet 3.0. And this is great because if you want to be part of the staking coins, well, you still get a chance to get in. Now, it's a little bit early for now. And as you know, everyone that gets in too early gets smashed. And this is why I wouldn't do that unless you're a huge token fan of the Theta. Well, in that case, sure, go ahead, get yourself some coins, but be ready for the price to drop as always when it is out there. So, as you can see, they have huge powerhouse partners coming in. The CAA joins Theta Enterprise Validator Council, which is large. And as I've covered in the previous video, without getting into too much details, these guys have huge partners. We're talking about Samsung Virtual Reality, you got G Fuel, and of course their own platform, Theta TV. That's the thing, is that they're backed by the YouTube co-founder. This is why I definitely believe in the Theta coin. The Theta token is going to be huge just because of that. You got Steve Chen, which is a multi-billionaire, backing up the Theta coin. So this is great. The coin is still extremely young. Um, I mean, look, the brand new mainnet 3.0 was, announced not too long ago. Of course, they created this 4 years ago when the Bitcoin was booming, but the upgrades, the mainnet. So these things are brand new. They do have a great following, 163 followers on Twitter, which proves that they have a large community that is backing the Theta coin, which is great, right? Because as you've seen, when I've been reviewing other altcoins, there's like most coins have like 20 to 40,000 followers, and that's not a lot, and they've been around since also 4 years. Versus this coin here, it looks like it has been 4 years. They did gather a lot of followers, but not as much as the Shiba Inu, I think it's called. This coin has like 500,000 plus followers, and it has been around for a few months. That is what I call a following. Now, it's okay. The Theta network has quite a following still, so it's definitely well backed. It's legit. There is huge backers such as the co-founder of YouTube, which is now a huge investor in different projects. And this is the thing. Let's just see what he is saying. So Theta's innovation is set to disrupt today's online video industry much in the same way that the YouTube platform did to traditional video back in 2005. One of our biggest challenges had been the high costs of delivering video to various parts of the world, and this problem is only getting bigger with high definition, 4K, and higher quality video streams. So I agree with him. As we get to 8K soon, YouTube is probably going to, have to buy more servers, etc., and it's going to face huge problems. And this is what the Theta network chain is trying to accomplish. So he says, I'm excited to be part of the next evolution of the streaming space, helping Theta create a decentralized peer-to-peer network that can offer improved video delivery at lower costs. Because as you can see, other video platforms are also blowing up. Netflix, that's a video platform, and it is using a beep ton of data to deliver its content to their users. And it's quite a problem because it's getting bigger and bigger. So you must buy more servers, it gets more polluting, and everyone's just trying to be carbon neutral, right? So this is what the Theta network is trying to accomplish. So at this point, their map is broken, but there is 49,000 edge nodes. There is 3,500 Guardian nodes and 15 Enterprise Validator nodes. So you can join the network, and I'm guessing that they're going to be rewarding their node holders with this staking inside in the mainnet 3. This is what they have been announcing right here. So as we read on, you can see that the validator nodes are insane. Google, Sony, Samsung, Binance, blockchain.com, and Gumi. So a lot of huge partners here. And the thing is, if you explore the platform partners even more in detail, you can see who else is in this crazy boat that will probably not sink for quite a while. You can see very, very large publishers. You can see large platforms, multi-million-dollar businesses. So, this is definitely a coin to look for if you are a long-term holder of coins. Yes, but if you want to flip it, it's another story. I'm going to get into that in a while. So let's check out the Theta project roadmap. So the first quarter, they have promised on delivering TNT20, the Theta network token miner expanded for non-fungible tokens. That's great because that's the trend, right? This is the way that you get into the market, is by doing this type of expansion. So there's the pre-Elite Edge node T-Fuel staking testing. So basically this is the beta test for their staking nodes. Then you have the one-click delegated staking with the Theta wallet. This is great. Also, it's kind of hard these days to try to stake. Well, they made it super easy to do so with just one click. All right, so then they're trying to do an exchange, and it's going to be decentralized straight on their own blockchain. And then you got the marketplace for the non-fungible tokens for the Theta blockchain also. And then the second Theta hackathon launches. This is where they gather a lot of different developers that are really high skilled so that they compete against each other and prove themselves to be the best Theta developers. Now, in 2021 quarter two, which we're in actually right now, and it's going to be soon closing, the mainnet, the mainnet 3.0 launch, Elite. This is actually what they're announcing at the top. So the Elite Edge nodes, the T-Fuel staking and burning. And then you got also the Line decentralized app launches with the Theta integration. So this is going to be great because they're going to be finally integrating this app inside of their blockchain. And then you got also the official Theta app release for the ledger and the Trésor, which means in French, of course, treasure, for those who don't know. So the version 2 also is going to come out for the edge compute with expanded video transcoding and encoding. This is for the nodes in order to deliver this video quality. This is going to be cool, right? Because they're going to distribute all of these different requests to different computers so that the computers actually compute the video transmissions instead of having servers all around the world doing that. So this is really, really interesting. They're basically serverizing everyone. And then in 2021, in quarter 3, you got the edge caching new use cases. So there's going to be game patches, software updates, etc. And I can already see how this is going to expand into much more than just video delivery. As they say here, it's probably going to be game patches, software updates, and all that you're going to keep on your computer in distributed ledgers so that others can download it. It's going to be kind of a torrent for the blockchain. So this is going to be pretty interesting. You also have the edge compute new use cases. So machine learning, AI, and also compute heavy jobs. They're going to integrate this into the blockchain so that your node can use their AI to compute much faster. And then you get also the version 2 of the Edgecast fully decentralized streaming app. Decentralized app. That's great. I mean, probably they're going to get tons of partnerships on there also because this is a streaming platform, right? Based on the blockchain. So imagine this the Netflix of the blockchain. This is what they're probably trying to become. And at the same time, they're trying to become the actual platform for the other companies to be on in order to distribute their own videos. So in quarter 4, their promises to their dear followers and holders is a release of the beta for the Edge Storage IPFS integration, and also the version 2 of the Advanced Smart Contract Developer Platform. So this is great. This is great news, and this is definitely going to be a large token in the future. It is legit. It is solid. This is the type of coin you want to have on your in your wallet. So if you have a MetaMask, be sure to get some of these coins. Unless you're a flipper, it might not be a good idea to hold on if you're flipping coins. All right, guys. So if you want to check out their team and pretty much everything that they're talking about on their website, well, there's a lot more details regarding the documentation for the developers out there. You also have their white paper so that you can jump in and understand what is the actual mission of the Theta and what is their vision for the long term. If you want to be a long-term investor, a huge whale for this token, it's definitely worth a read. All right, guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I would definitely love to know your opinion regarding this coin. And if you want me to review and go into deep analysis in specific coins, please let me know. I would definitely want to do that for you. All right, guys, so talk to you soon.